Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this textured front bag. So let's get started. And this bag works bottom up. Slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. I'm working with 2 strands of worsted weight yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. For the large bag, I started out with chain 28 and work as many rows as you would like. For the smaller bag, I started out with chain 20. Double crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. And double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. So go ahead and work 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I've gone ahead and made 1 double crochet in each stitch across the row. I started with chain 20 and I have 19 stitches across the row. So now I'm going to turn my work and I'm going to work down this side of that foundation chain. So yarn around the hook, go into that same stitch and make a double crochet. Double crochet, double crochet, like that, and double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. There's my last double crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of that first chain 2. And that is going to be the bottom of the bag. And now I'm going to find the center of the row, and that's this stitch here. And I'm going to work 11 front post double crochet across there. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do as many as you like. You could do the entire front if you wanted. I'm just going to do this section. So I need 5 on this side as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to move my marker here. So this will be the textured section of the bag across here. So I'm going to double crochet in each stitch up to this marked stitch. So chain 2, 1, 2, double crochet, right up to the marked stitch. Okay, the next stitch is the marked stitch. I'm going to make a front post double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert the hook under the post of the stitch from the front, and then complete the double crochet. Double crochet in the next stitch. Front post in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next. Front post. Double. Front post. Double. and front post. So that's the center front, and now I'm going to work a double crochet in all the stitches until I reach this first chain 2. So just a regular double crochet. All the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last double crochet. There's my first chain 2. I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. So now I'm going to chain 2 and I'm going to double crochet in each stitch all the way around. So chain 2, double crochet in each stitch all the way around. Like that, double crochet in each stitch all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last double crochet. Slip stitch to join in the second stitch of the chain 2. Now in this next row, I'm going to double crochet up to the stitch above that very first front post double crochet. So if you like, you can place a marker, and then the last one will be here. So we can place a marker here. So I'm going to double crochet up to here, and then in this stitch, I'll start with my front post double crochet. So chain 2, 1, 2, double crochet up to the marked stitch. I can remove my marker, front post double crochet, regular double crochet, front post, regular, front post, regular, post, regular, and my last front post in the next stitch. Like that. You can see they're lined up. And now I'm going to double crochet in each stitch across the row and slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. Okay, so you're just going to continue to repeat those 2 rows. One row with the front post double crochet and the next row of double crochet. And on this one, I just made a short bag, and I did the last row of double crochet in black. And I have some purse handles here, and then I'll start my yarn here. And bring up my handle. Like that, and then weave the yarn end back into the finished work. And you could leave your purse plain, or you could sew on a large button, or attach a tassel. To make this purse accessory, I threaded some beads onto 2 ends of yarn. And then you can fold that in half like that, and sew this onto your purse, and then sew a button over the seam. And that's all you need to know to be able to crochet this textured front bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.